Welcome back to G Fun Facts Online, your go-to source for the most fascinating insights from the digital world. Today, we're diving deep into something we all do every single day, paying for things. But hold on, because the way we swipe, tap, or click is undergoing a massive revolution. Forget about just coins and paper money. We're talking about a future that's digital, streamlined, and surprisingly automated. So buckle up as we explore three game-changing pillars transforming the world of payments: stablecoins, contactless wallets, and the mind-bending concept of agentic commerce. Ready to see what your financial future looks like? Let's get started. First up, let's talk stablecoins. Now, you might have heard of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, known for their wild price swings. Stablecoins are different. Picture a digital currency, but one that's designed to hold a steady value, often by being pegged to a familiar currency like the US dollar. This stability makes them super practical for everyday transactions and sending money across borders. Initially, they were a big hit within the crypto trading world, but now they're going mainstream. Businesses are loving them for faster settlement times, often just minutes, and lower transaction fees compared to old-school banking. Think about sending money internationally without those hefty charges, or even getting your salary paid in stablecoins. Some retailers are already on board, and platforms are popping up that let you spend stablecoins almost anywhere. Of course, with any new tech, there are hurdles. The rulebook for stablecoins is still being written globally, and getting that regulatory clarity is key for everyone to trust and use them more widely. Plus, keeping them secure from hackers and ensuring the assets backing them are truly stable are big challenges. But experts are optimistic. Many believe 2025 will be a landmark year for payment stablecoins, with even traditional banks getting in on the action. So keep an eye out. Stablecoins might just become a regular part of your banking life. Next, let's tap into something you probably already have in your pocket: contactless wallets. Think Apple Pay, Google Pay, those digital wallets on your smartphone that let you pay with a simple tap. Their popularity has absolutely skyrocketed, especially since the pandemic. Why? Convenience and security. These wallets use near-field communication, or NFC technology. But the real magic lies in the security. Instead of flashing your actual card details, they use tokenization, replacing sensitive info with a unique digital code. Plus, many require your fingerprint or facial recognition to approve a payment. So even if your phone gets stolen, your payment info is way safer than a physical card. It's no wonder mobile wallets are becoming the top choice for in-person shopping for so many people. And they're not just for payments anymore. Digital wallets are evolving into super apps, holding your loyalty cards, boarding passes, and sometimes even offering financial services like small loans. Imagine paying for things with your voice, or even through your car's dashboard. That's where this tech is heading. This shift is huge for industries like retail and transport, with more merchants even turning their smartphones into payment terminals using soft POS solutions. The future here looks even more integrated, especially with open banking initiatives allowing us to manage more of our finances from fewer apps. Super convenient, right? All right, now for a truly futuristic concept: agentic commerce. Imagine having a personal AI assistant that doesn't just help you find products, but actually goes ahead and buys them for you. That's agentic commerce. We're talking about AI agents, maybe in a chatbot, that understand what you like, search for the best deals, compare prices, and then, with your permission of course, make the purchase. Major players like Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal are already working on making this a reality. How does it work without giving AI your credit card? Through clever tech like tokenization, where your AI agent gets a special digital credential, like an AI-ready card, linked to your account but with spending limits and purchase types that you control. For us, this could mean huge time savings. Your AI could order your weekly groceries, book your next vacation, or even snag those hard-to-get concert tickets. The biggest hurdle? Building trust. We need to be sure these AI agents are making smart choices for us and that our information is secure. Transparency is key, knowing why an AI chose one brand over another. Payment networks are teaming up with AI giants like OpenAI and Microsoft to build these payment powers directly into AI agents. The vision is a world where shopping is incredibly efficient, maybe even with AI negotiating prices for you, or splitting payments to maximize your rewards. The lines between shopping, finance, and tech are getting blurrier by the day. So what does this all mean when we put it together? These three trends, stablecoins, contactless wallets, and agentic commerce, aren't happening in isolation. They're interconnected and will likely merge to create an even smarter, faster, and more secure payment world. Imagine your AI agent using stablecoins for a cheap international purchase, all authenticated through your secure mobile wallet. As we head further into 2025 and beyond, the way we pay will keep evolving at lightning speed. It's all about making things faster, safer, more convenient, and increasingly automated. Both businesses and us, the consumers, will need to keep up to really tap into the perks of this new era of commerce. That's all for this episode of G Fun Facts Online. I hope you're as excited as I am about the future of payments. It's a rapidly changing landscape, and we'll be here to keep you updated. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.